Hi everyone, today we're back with another construction project. Today we've been hired by a home builder here in town. We're going to be building an asphalt driveway for a brand new home that goes for sale later this month. Like always guys, there's a full mods list link down below. And if you end up enjoying today's video, help me out by hitting the like button. I'm on my way to shop this morning. After stopping by the local coffee shop, I got a donut and I got a small cup of coffee here, so we'll be ready to go. But yesterday, guys, I did get a little bit of prep work done here. I went and picked up some gravel, and we do have a few employees helping us out today, running to get the asphalt and to do any miscellaneous things here. But the truck's all loaded, all ready to go. And today, guys, is super exciting because we are going to be using the all-new Cat paver that we picked up for the company here. We got the Cat roller and then our Peterbilt dump truck here. So let's head on over to the project and we'll get right to building this asphalt road. Now, like I mentioned, this is a brand new house. They just finished building it. They need to do landscaping, and the driveway is the last on the list before they could put it up for sale. We've done quite a few paving projects here, but I have not brought the camera along for one of these in quite some time, so this is super exciting, and it's just great to bring the camera along for another construction project here. I definitely want to do more on the channel, since these are a lot of fun here. We are always super busy with different projects here, and we're coming up on the job site here. It was just on the edge of town, which is great for us. That way, we kind of stay within the town limits here. It's easier for us not driving, bringing all this equipment with us all over here. But look at that, guys. This house looks sweet. Looks like it's kind of a farm style two-car garage here, and this is the project for today. Yeah, look at that. Looks like they just put some new sod in and they need this driveway. So looks like, yeah, this looks to be clay, and there looks to be quite a few bits of mud and grass here. So the first thing I want to do is I want to hop in the skid steer, and I want to kind of scrape this, get this nice and clean since there's grass and things like that. So once we do that, we need to bring in the gravel base, which is on the truck that we came to the job site with. And oh, look at that. Looks like Farmer Joe is here with asphalt ready to go. Sweet. Today we're going to be using the Bobcat S76 here. This thing is perfect here. The wheeled skid loaders we use a lot more for construction since we're on asphalt, we're on pavement, we're on concrete and things like that here. But we'll get right to cleaning this. This is going to look a lot better just right after what we do here in this short little bit. Now we do have to make this driveway a little wider. I think we have to go a foot on either side of the foundation, so that is what we're gonna have to do. Good thing I saw that here, otherwise the driveway is gonna be a little too narrow for the homeowner. Now the home builder, guys, does send us a lot of work here, so it's always good to do good work here because they always call us when they have another project for us. Doing a little bit more cleanup there right in front of the garage door, making sure that we have the correct depth over there. And I also do want to check right alongside the road. Let's dig down just a little bit more here. Good thing we have the teeth on the bucket because this is some pretty solid ground after all those trucks. We need 2 inches of gravel, and let's see, oh yeah, we have plenty of room here. So why don't we get the truck unloaded with gravel, and then we'll get to spreading it here with a skid steer. Looking at the road pack gravel here, looks like we are all set, ready to go for compacting it. So that is awesome here. This skid steer made really quick work of it. We used one full truckload, which was about 15 tons here. That is a lot of gravel here, but if we don't have the right road base, the road's gonna end up cracking, and the home builder is gonna be calling us when the homeowner ends up calling him here. So it's good to do the job right the first time here, but let's see if we could get these ramps unfolded here. We need to get the paver off first, and then we'll let it get warmed up here for a few minutes before we get to paving. We want a nice solid base here for the asphalt here. That way there's no shifting, any chance of cracking in the new driveway here. So we'll just run the roller over it here. This roller, guys, is perfect here. This one with the 2 rollers is for asphalt here. Usually when it's just for one, that's more for construction, gravel, things like that here. But oh yeah, we're compacting it. Awesome. Now I think it's time for us to get ready to get the paver here, and we'll get the truck all lined up to put down some asphalt. This is our first time getting to use a cat asphalt paver here. You guys can see we are laying down some really good asphalt. Wow, this driveway is coming out great here. We have a little bit of extra gravel on one side, which is no problem. They could just put some topsoil and stuff over it here, and we'll get that stop there. Perfect. Wow. I mean, that came out awesome here. It's only supposed to be the width here of the paver here, so that's all we have to do size-wise, and that thing looks awesome here. So we'll get the paver off to the side. The last thing for today is just to use a cat roller to get it nice and compact here, and then they just can't drive on it for 7 days is what I'll be recommending to the home builder. And why don't we move this off to the side here? Let's take a quick look at it. Wow, look at that, guys. Sweet. It is so cool we could do cool things like this here in the game. We did have a previous asphalt paver, but this one, guys, did the trick even better, and this is awesome here. So we'll just get this nice and compacted, and yeah, a big difference. The home builder is going to be really happy with the finished project, and to be able to put the house for sale now. Well, guys, there we have it. We built an asphalt driveway for a new house, and it came out amazing here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next one, and subscribe for more.